It sounds like you're doing a comprehensive review of the Legion Go S and Legion Go 2, highlighting gameplay performance, device ergonomics, and OS features. Here's a breakdown of the key points from your review. Gameplay on Legion Go S. You tested Outer Worlds and Forza Horizon 5 on the Legion Go S in Windows mode. The performance was decent at low settings, despite the device being a prototype with early drivers. You mentioned hitting mid-40s FPS, which is understandable for a prototype, and noted that the joysticks felt great for both shooters and driving games, SteamOS experience. You played Portal 2 and Ninja Turtles on SteamOS, noting the smooth performance and high refresh rate that benefits less demanding games. You also appreciated the Steam button functionality and the native SteamOS integration. Display. The 8-inch display on the Legion Go S is praised for its quality despite being IPS, not OLED, with vibrant colors and sharp visuals. You mentioned that the display is comparable to OLED in some aspects and is visually appealing for gaming, design, and ergonomics. The Legion Go S is praised for its lightweight design, comfortable rear grips, and ergonomics. It features upgraded joystick modules, making it feel tighter and more responsive. The device fits comfortably in medium-sized hands, and you compared its 8-inch size favorably to the One X Fly, noting that the bezels are not excessive. Legion Go 2. The Legion Go 2 was also briefly discussed, although it didn't have any games installed for testing. The key difference from the Legion Go S is that it runs Windows 11, but otherwise, the design and controls are similar accessories. You briefly mentioned new accessories, such as Legion glasses and a sling bag, though you couldn't test them extensively. Conclusion. Overall, you're impressed with both the Legion Go S and Legion Go 2, especially the inclusion of SteamOS for a more user-friendly gaming experience. You look forward to further testing and comparisons once the devices are released, and you're interested in hearing what specific tests or comparisons your viewers would like to see.